We saw some sunshine at the beginning of the day and now at the end of the day, and that's going to be our theme. Sunshine returns and hangs around through the rest of the month and maybe even to March. 13 weather ball is also blue, a little colder weather in view. Back to seasonable temperatures here, at least for tomorrow. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Another warmer than average day. We put two of those in a row, low and even some spots mid 40s before the cold front went through. It made 52 in Detroit and Port Huron. Wouldn't be surprised next week we flirt with 50. 40 was our forecast high. It made 42. We're back on track with our forecast within 3 degrees. Cold front goes through earlier today. That's what brought the clouds in actually around the middle of the day, and now they're clearing on out. And it's going to be a rather cold night here in West Michigan. Our European model showing all the precip has ended across much of the state with clearing skies taking place, and with light winds tonight, it's going to drop down into the teens, at least away from the lakeshore, maybe low 20s here at the lake. During the day tomorrow, another virtually sunny day throughout most of the day, maybe partly cloudy for a couple of hours right around the middle of the day, and then another clear and cold night here Friday night. Winds are going to be turning around to the south, so after a cool Thursday, those south winds are going to boost temperatures on Friday. And then Friday night, we're going to start to see some light rain and snow after about 11 o'clock, and then by daybreak, it'll all have moved to the east, and we've got a pretty nice Sunday coming up. Any snow that's going to fall will be Friday night. And again, this is just enough to coat the ground, probably melting, maybe half an inch to an inch further to the north. Again, all of that will be melting. But in terms of rainfall, most of it will be in the form of rain as it comes on through, up to 1/4 of an inch in some areas. So that's a sign of something different for a change. Other than that, we're looking at some fairly quiet weather. In terms of temperatures tomorrow, they're going to be cooler than today by about 4 or 5 degrees, mid and upper 30s. We'll climb into the low 40s. Notice that wind direction coming out of the south. That's a warm direction, and we'll be getting into the mid and upper 40s during the day on Saturday. As I mentioned, maybe flirting with 50 by Sunday. So tomorrow, look for virtually sunny skies, maybe partly cloudy for a couple of hours, mid 30s at the lake, onshore breeze picking up during the afternoon. Similarly, very quiet morning, and the winds will pick up in the afternoon. You'll make the mid 30s here. And from Grand Rapids southward, we'll be in the mid 30s, ranging from about 37 to 38 with that breezy west wind. Not as breezy as today. 13 on your side forecast. Look at that 10-day forecast. Really, the only significant low impact event will be late Friday night with some rain mixing with some snow further to the north you travel. And that's out ahead of some warmer air coming in for Saturday and Sunday, mid and upper 40s. Cooling off again on Monday, back down to 39, but 40s following that as we head into the first of 5 to 10 days of March.